Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today, I'll show you how to crochet a large fan stitch. To begin, chain 42, or any multiple of 10 plus 2. For row 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Skip 4 chains, and in the next chain, make 11 treble crochet stitches, all in that same chain. Try to go under 2 loops of the chain so it doesn't stretch the chain too much. Before you get too far, place a stitch marker in the next chain. Sometimes the next chain gets distorted with all of those stitches, and it's hard to see it when counting. Skip 4 chains, and you can see how that first one is difficult to see. Single crochet in the next chain. Skip 4 chains again. And as before, make 11 treble crochet stitches in the next chain. I still like marking the next chain afterwards in case it gets lost among the stitches. Skip 4 chains again and make a single crochet. You can see the large fans starting to form. Continue with this pattern across the row. I'm changing colors for row 2 and chaining 4. In this very same stitch, I'm making a treble crochet. Chain 4. Make a single crochet in the 6th of the 11 treble crochet stitches. Chain 4. Now we're going to do a treble crochet cluster. Start with the first treble crochet stitch, but don't finish it. Start a second treble crochet stitch. Then finish it all together. Chain 4. As before, single crochet in the 6th treble crochet. Chain 4. And do another one of those treble crochet cluster stitches. This stitch set forms the base of each fan. Continue with this pattern across the row. For row 3, chain 4 and turn. We're going to make a partial fan on the side here, so make 5 treble crochet stitches. Then single crochet on top of the single crochet. I like to make my stitches below the top of the treble crochet stitch. In it, make 11 treble crochet stitches. You can see the fans forming on this row. Single crochet on top of the single crochet. Continue making fans in each treble cluster and single crochet above single crochet. At the end, we'll make another partial fan, this time making 6 treble crochet stitches in the last stitch. For row 4, start with the chain 1 and single crochet, chain 4, and above the single crochet, make a treble crochet cluster. This forms the base of the next row's fans. chain 4. Then single crochet in the 6th treble crochet. Chain 4 again, and do a treble crochet stitch above the single crochet. Continue with this pattern across the row. And here's what it looks like once completed. For row 5, chain 1 and single crochet in the first stitch. This is almost a repeat of row 1. In the treble crochet cluster, make 11 treble crochet stitches. Then above the single crochet, make a single crochet. And you can see how everything's lining up. Continue to make fans in the treble crochet clusters and single crochet stitches above single crochet stitches. Then just repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 for as many rows as you wish. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.